Welcome back, stackers, traders, and truthers. Silver Gold Man here. We are Saturday, January 16th. Quick little video to let you know that I'm going live here in roughly, 53 minutes from now at 6 p.m. Pacific time. That would be 7 p.m. Mountain time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. Catch you there. If you want to come hang out, I'll be going over some of this Silver Gold Trade Man technical analysis boot camp. A couple of questions. Also, I'll be dealing with the big situation here about the U.S. stock market and the China stock market. The Doomsday. It's going to be exposed, and even what's taken place in the few down days we've had here in the U.S. stock market. And in fact, it's been global. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. I'll connect the dots on that one, folks, because this is something that if you're a regular listener of mine, you were already warned 6 months ago that this would take place, that there was a good possibility this would take place. When the stock market had crashed in July of 2014, when I was making those nightly Google Hangouts here, I told you folks back then, I said the fact that they banned those insider sellers, insider traders from selling their positions, and also shorting anyone who wanted to short the Chinese stock market was banned for 6 months. So you had banning on the shorting, and also all the insider sellers, they could no longer sell their positions, or anyone who happened to own more than 5% of any specific stock. So I was telling you folks back then, watch out, because this is really a catalyst for another potential collapse, or at least a bump in the road with the stock market. Well, we had the bump. The 6 month due date just went by on Friday, and that's what caused all this disturbance, because other traders are thinking the same as me. Better get out of the Chinese stock market. When those guys have access to their stocks, what are they going to want to do? Dump, of course, right? And as well, of course, I'm going to go over some charting. So if you want to find out what I think is taking place with gold and silver, come and hang out with us here. It won't be an extremely long Google Hangout. I don't think so, unless there's a lot of questions out there regarding the trade room, the boot camp, the bonus. If you haven't heard about that, you may want to check out that video, because I've added an extension here to this whole thing, because many of you had mentioned about money being tight right after Christmas. Totally get that. Totally get that. So I'm in no rush. I'm looking to build a team of quality players, people that want to participate and help out. I've mentioned before, it's the number of eyes you have out there looking at various charts that allows us to make more money. Several times so far, even again this week, one of the traders, he's not even trading, he's paper trading, and gave me a heads up on a stock, and I end up banging off a nice win on that one in the morning. So that's what I'm looking to build essentially. But if you're just looking to do swing trades or long-term trading, you still get access to my advice. Anyways, I'll go over that. As I said here tonight, I'm going to have this live Google Hangout. See you there. If you're into any charts. If you're into any stocks already and you want me to analyze your stocks, come on down. I'll run them through a gamut of various indicators and give you my 5 cents on it. And other than that, well, gold and silver and mostly the economy, connecting some dots on that and exposing the 2016 Doomsday. I don't know if anyone's speaking about this yet. I know they're all telling you to buy your gold and silver because it's falling. The economy's going to fall through the roof and the dollar's going to be worthless, and oh boy. Anyways, I'm sure you've all heard it before. I'm not going to sing that kind of story to you. I'm going to make some common sense, pull out some real stories, and you be the judge of it if you think it's going to work out that way, or is it going to be apocalyptic where you're going to have to walk out of your home with machine guns and machetes to make sure you can make it to the corner store to pick up a loaf of bread. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care, folks.